welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kassy, and on today's video I am going to be showing you the easiest hairstyle that I go to. My go-to easy hairstyle, and this is it right here. So if you want to see how I easily slick my hair down this way, please keep on watching. You know that feeling when you just relaxed your hair and you're thinking, what should I do to my hair? Should I just do a slick down or braid? You know, so many things will just start coming up. I wanted to braid my hair today or tomorrow. Maybe today is okay, today is Tuesday, so I'm thinking maybe I should just, you know, do a slick down, then carry it through the week, then probably weekend I just, you know, braid my hair. Okay, I think that is what my mind is telling me to do. Okay.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
I've done center part too much, a lot. I just thought of something. I changed my mind. I changed my mind.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
So for this style, I am going to be using wool, okay? If you have any extension lying about in your house, you can use that as well, okay? Okay, so while I roll this and cut it into what I want, I'm going to tie this hair so that it is going to slick properly.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
And this is the final look, guys. I hope you found this tutorial interesting, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.